somewhere, the faith I used to have before the sky fell down on me. Behind the curtain, beneath the hospital bed, hiding just beyond my reach. Feels like my prayers are bouncing off the ceiling tiles like a helium balloon. I can't close the distance between the way I feel and what I know is true. I'm caught up in a battle I wasn't looking for, when I'm searching for solace in the middle of a war. You are my missing piece. You are my missing piece. My missing piece. I'm tired of waiting, but I'm afraid of how it's gonna end. So I'm stuck here in between, bracing for bad news and hoping for a miracle. Well, I'm fighting to believe. I'm caught up in a battle I wasn't looking for, when I'm searching for solace in the middle of a war. You are my missing piece. You are my missing piece. You silence my worry when fear is deafening. I think I want answers, but what I really need is peace. My missing piece.